My name is Daniel Plessl, and I'm very excited to be joining the staff at Vero Orthopaedics. I'm a sports medicine doctor by training, and so my specialties would be primarily shoulder and knee surgery, as well as hip surgery. I'm originally from Williams Township, Pennsylvania, did undergrad at the University of Virginia, where I studied biomedical engineering, and then I stayed in Virginia to go to med school at Virginia Tech Carilion School of Medicine. After that, my wife and I moved to New Orleans, where I completed my orthopedic surgery residency at LSU. And then following that, we went to Boston, where I did a one-year fellowship in sports medicine at Harvard's Brigham and Women's Hospital. That has led us to now moving to Vero Beach, joining Vero Orthopaedics in this beautiful brand new facility. It was clear that this was easily my top option for all the places that I interviewed. It's a physician-led group. The patients really are able to get the best specialty care for every ailment. If I see a patient in clinic who has a shoulder issue and then they have a complex hand problem, I can call my hand colleague that day and they can get in to see them immediately. My wife and I are very excited to have moved to the area and are looking forward to really joining the community and helping to take care of anyone that has an orthopedic problem. Shoulder, elbow, hand, hip, knee, foot and ankle, we've got you covered.